Is your Vizio TV acting up and making it impossible to watch your favorite shows? Reddit is absolutely exploding with users complaining about everything from SmartCast freezing to the TV turning itself off. Don't worry, because I've spent hours digging through those threads to find the solutions that actually work. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Tech Vibes. Most of these Vizio issues happen because the software gets bogged down by handshake errors or corrupted temporary memory. Basically, the TV's internal computer gets confused and needs a precise reset to start fresh. Let's get your TV fixed right now. Step 1 is the Reddit favorite power cycle. Unplug your TV from the wall and hold the physical power button on the back of the TV for 30 seconds. This drains the capacitors and clears out glitches that a simple remote restart can't touch. Step 2 is fixing the SmartCast loading circle. Go to your network settings and change your DHCP to manual and then immediately back to auto. This force refreshes your TV's connection to the Vizio servers and usually brings the home screen back instantly. Step 3 is the DNS swap. If your apps are connected but won't stream, go to your manual network setup. Change your primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and your secondary to 8.8.4.4. This uses Google's faster servers instead of your provider's slow ones. Step 4 is the date and time fix. If your TV's date is off by even a few minutes, security certificates will fail and apps won't open. Go to System then Time and make sure auto sync is turned on. Step 5 addresses the random rebooting issue. Go to your power settings and disable Quick Start mode. Switching to Eco mode forces the TV to do a full software reboot every time you turn it on, which prevents long-term memory leaks. Step 6 is the input toggle trick. If your screen is black but you have sound, press the input button on your remote and cycle through all the HDMI ports. This often wakes up the video processor and restores the picture. Step 7 is clearing the app cache. For apps like Netflix or YouTube that keep crashing, go to the app catalog, highlight the app and select Reset App to clear out the corrupted files causing the loop. Step 8 is the Ethernet swap. If your Wi-Fi is constantly dropping, try plugging in an Ethernet cable for just 5 minutes. This often triggers a background update that fixes the Wi-Fi driver. Step 9 is disabling viewing data. Go to Admin and Privacy and turn off viewing data and advertising. This stops the TV from using processing power to track your habits, which speeds up the entire interface. Step 10 is the factory reset. If nothing else works, go to System, then Reset and Admin and choose Reset to Factory Settings. It's the nuclear option, but it clears out the deep-rooted software bugs Reddit users hate most. Here is a pro tip for you. If your SmartCast is still slow and driving you crazy, just stop using it. Buy a cheap external streaming stick and never connect your Vizio to the internet again. This turns your smart TV into a dumb monitor, which actually makes it last years longer. If you face any difficulty with these steps or have a weird error code, leave a comment below. I reply to everyone within 1 hour to help you get it sorted. If this video helped you, please like and share it, then subscribe to Tech Vibes for more straight-to-the-point tech help. You've got this, and your Vizio is going to work perfectly today.